Time. Witness the exploration of technology. Innovation empowers the transformation of space. Our mission is to bring happiness to millions of families. The original intention has not changed, and the goal is extraordinary. We are DECNO. Since 1997. From the beginning, we have been committed to becoming a global leader in green building materials manufacturing. After 26 years of development, DECNO has become one of the largest manufacturers of flooring and wall panels in China. DECNO has industry-leading manufacturing levels and is world-renowned for its excellent OEM/ODM services. Strong production capacity is our best guarantee for you. DECNO has 3 production bases: Shandong Production Base, Anhui Production Base, and Malaysia Production Base. Our products are popular in 76 countries and have become the preferred partner of more than 586 brands and distributors. We are well known in the industry for our strong product innovation capabilities. Our product line has now expanded to include laminate flooring, SPC flooring, SPC wall panels, hardwood SPC flooring, and other innovative products with exclusive technologies. We regard good products as our belief. We have many international qualification certifications, such as ISO, CE, SGS, Floor Score. We are your worry-free choice. DECNO has always been at the forefront of industry, and you can always find DECNO at the professional exhibitions. Domotex, Hanover, Domotex Asia, Big 5 Global, Canton Fair, the International Surface Event. Customers come first. We always abide by it. The services we provide exceed your imagination. To assist customers in business expansion, DECNO provides many support services, such as producing digital and physical marketing tools. Our products and services are always impressive and receive rave reviews. In the future, DECNO will adhere to the concept of sustainable development and build a whole industry chain of healthy building materials. DECNO, your reliable flooring and wall panel manufacturer.